Maybe it's because you're...
You got it! How did you know? Hey, you got it! Nice.
Just get a bag. Double time.
What the?
Two machines.
Double failure.
Hey, it's not failed yet. You can see into the future.
Yes, I'm a fortune teller.
Dude, it's not even close.
Oh, you got the one I like.
Oh, we got it.
Yeah, this one I like. This one. Pink one.
Fucking PogChamp.
Yeah.
Let's
that's
go.
Exactly what I
Dude,
wanted.
we're so lucky. What the fuck?
Oh,
pink
another
one.
pink one, my favorite. You can put 500 yens in here. And 100 yens in another pouch.
One bag for one new pet.
Yeah. Well, how do I record with this?
You can tilt the angle. Can you ask him, please?
Alright. Beef skirt steak. Good.
It's good, isn't it?
You want to trade it for the boy?
No.
Here you go.
I like her.
Okay, let's go in. Did you feed him?
How do you say hand in Japanese?
I don't know. Shake?
Handle.
Making them work for their snacks. Right.
You've been destroyed.
I'm sorry. Bye.
He's not your friend anymore. You have no more treats.
He's leaving. Look at him. Betrayal.
He totally owned you though. I got it on camera.
That's right. Okay, thank you.
I want to watch this back.
Your friends inside? No?
Come on, come on.
Oh yes! Wait, we got it though.
We got it.
You just have to call the guy. I'll hold the machine. Oh, it's Genshin. Miguel likes Genshin. Is it the same one?
Of course it's not the same, dude.
Only wanted. All right, let's see.
Dude, that's so
what?
lucky.
This is the Omega Prize. Oh.
Dude, you're so lucky. What the fuck?
And then all the other prizes.
Do you want to take a picture of the... No shit, Sherlock. Can you smell this? This is like a market. It smells like fish. There's a bunch of good shit. Do you like kebabs?